Just digging a few spuds this morning. And, you know, you grab something like this, pull it out and see what you got, you know. A few more potatoes. Look at the biochar in there. Now look at this. Here we go. Got the spuds going on here. Yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Try to control my breathing. Nice spuds. Yep. There's lots here. Spuds. There we go. Oh. We better put that back. That's not even a potato. That's a dahlia bulb. But hey, that was fun while it lasted. Yep. Oops. Oopsie daisy. Yeah. It's tough being the cameraman and the food grower at the same time. Got a breather going on here. Too much of a big hurry. So that is. Yeah. There we go. Now my squash can grow up here and have a good time without being bothered by no sunlight from the potatoes. So that was that little patch there. And then I just fill in the old area where I harvested the pathway soil bank. I just filled it in with all the weeds. But now see, I've taken out the potato patch here. And there's lots more potato patches. And it's a lot of fun. It's like a treasure hunt. But now, see, my squash and a few other things can grow in here, you know. So, yeah, get out there, hunt, gather, and grow, and forage. Look at these puppies. Ooh, isn't that a treasure? Look at the size of these buds. Vancouver Island's got some nice soil when it's looked after, but if it's not looked after, they have the worst soil. But there it is. That's probably like 5-10 minutes of doing that maybe. Okay, hunt, gather, and grow.